Grit, grime, grease, miscellaneous debris, and more can contaminate parts before use, creating seal leaks, tightening issues, and more. Sometimes wiping with a rag is just not enough. State can help make sure you have clean parts prepared and ready to go when you need them as fast as possible. With State AquaBrute Aqueous Parts Washer, clean and prepared parts is only a step away without using any harsh chemicals. The State AquaBrute Aqueous Parts Washer gives you high cleaning performance standards and optimal design. Paired with State AquaBrute Aqueous Parts Washer Fluid, you'll have a hard-working, greener, water-based solution. It cuts through tough, built-up grease, carbon deposits, and dirt with ease to save you time and energy. Not only is State AquaBrute Aqueous Parts Washer Fluid effective, it is also non-corrosive, non-acid, and non-flammable, making it a safer option for you and your team. State can help you keep your facility running safely and efficiently. State AquaBrute Aqueous Parts Washer and State AquaBrute Aqueous Parts Washer Fluid. Two great products from State Industrial Products. Caring for work environments since 1911.